Hello and welcome back to JP Gaming. Okay, so we have enough to unlock one more thing because these cost 90, right? Yeah. We can unlock one more thing. Wings, and I also get these radial decouplers. I think I'm gonna go with that. And this is kind of where I felt like I would get stuck a little bit in the stages of trying to get into space. Or getting into orbit. Gonna take those off, and then I'm gonna slap on 2 of these boosters on the sides here. Gonna take the thrust limit down on them to 80. With some nose cones. And add some bigger wings. Like that. And on top here we are gonna add... No! Fuck, we did not get that thing. No. Okay. Okay, let's just fly. Let's fly. We can put on the lights, but there's not much more to do than to just fire this off. Hold our thumbs and hope for the best. We're going a little bit of an angle now, because it didn't go very well just going straight up last time. So I'm hoping this is gonna help me at least a little bit. My other rockets have worked when I've done this. Now we're flipping again. So I'm guessing the problem was not that I was going straight up. I guess more now that the problem is probably that we were going too fast. But now we're going a lot slower and we're not accelerating that fast. I'm gonna accelerate even slower. Just keep on going straight up. Kind of straight up. We're going upwards at least. It's something. At least it feels like we're gonna get higher than we did last time. I'm gonna get full power now. And try and stop it from tilting over more because we don't want that arch right now. Right now we just want to get up. We just want the height. Okay, we're outside of the thickest parts now of the atmosphere at least. Hopefully that will help us with not flipping as much. We do need to go quite a lot higher as well, compared to previously in the stock KSP. So now we need to go to 140 kilometers instead of just 70. But it does feel like we are gonna make it. We're almost definitely gonna make it. Okay, stage is out. Engage next stage. We're definitely not getting into an orbit or anything, but we are getting out of the atmosphere at least. All we needed was those side boosters. And to not go too fast, apparently. Don't want to go too high either. I think it is time to try and do some experiments. Yes, upper atmosphere, perfect. Now let's do everything quickly before we leave the atmosphere. Crew report. EVA. And we got everything before leaving the atmosphere. Perfect. Collect all. And now we are outside the atmosphere, so now we can just redo all of that instantly. Crew report. Jump out. Take EVA. Jump in. Collect all. We could make ourselves go a little bit further now, actually, if we want to. Make sure that we have collected everything. Yes, we have. Ditch that stage. And it doesn't matter that I put us to point retrograde because we don't have anything that can steer in this thing. And now I think we are gonna land... Okay, we're still gonna land on the shore, it looks like. Just hope that nothing will explode or burn up. I know I have some people in chat that would like to see some things blow up, but I don't right now. Just happy that I've come this far. Come on, slow down, slow down. And now we're hitting those G's. Slowing down very quickly. How much of the ablator did we... Okay, nothing of the ablator got taken off. Which is good. It's good. That means we weren't in any danger of overheating at least. And now we have some signs from outside the atmosphere. Now the problem is that we can go high above the atmosphere as well. And I opened that parachute way too late. Oh no, it was just in time, I guess. But like I said, now the problem is that we can go higher above Kerbin. But with the things that I have available to me right now, I am not sure that I will be able to get into orbit. So I need to get some more science from around Kerbin, or not Kerbin, from the Earth, as it actually is. Would really like that probe. But now I'm a little bit iffy on what I should get. Because I feel like getting this, there's not much good things in here, but the struts are very nice to have. But I could also, with the 90 that I have now, I could get some more like small engines to hopefully send up like a small probe or something. I don't know where to send it yet though. I could get some engines, some rocket boosters, but once again, I don't really have use for them yet. Although if I get this, then I can get this thing, and then I can do like some onion stagings or asparagus staged rockets, which are very good, and that might help me to get further. So let's get that one for now. Okay, I need to get this one to get the wheels, because I think at least, because in normal Kerbal Space Program, every like different building, or the grounds of every different building, I think, is like its own biome. So if I just go from the runway up here, then I can get a new biome here, a new here, here, and here, and here. And of course that would give me a lot of science. So I think the next thing I should get is those wheels, so I can try that out. Because right now I don't think I have any wheels at all. Which means I can't go anywhere and can't do nothing. So I guess let's try and make this rocket go a lot further than it just did. And we're gonna do that with some of these. And we're gonna make some asparagus staging, as it's called. And no, I'm not gonna place that out there. I'm gonna have that one up here. You little silly bastard. And then one more small one. That one there. Make 2 of those. Drag them down a little bit. Keep all in line. Perfect. And then we'll take some fuel lines from the outside to the inside. And put some nose cones on those. That's good. And then we'll make another pair of these. And then we're also going to take some fuel lines from these into these. Yes. Because we want to decouple those first, and then those. I guess now maybe we should make the first stage. I mean, this almost has enough to get into orbit. And I think you get a little bit of science for just getting into orbit. I don't really need to get into orbit. I just want to get high above Earth now, which I don't know how high I need to go. I'm just going to Google that real quick to see if I can get an answer. We'll try at least. I'm going to try with this. I'm going to try. But we need to get to, not 200, 2,000 kilometers up. Which I guess is pretty fair, since in normal KSP I think it is, what is it, like 250 kilometers, and everything is scaled up by like 10 times. Some things are scaled up by 10 times, some are scaled up by 3 or something, or 4 or something like that. I don't know. All I know is that I'm definitely gonna have to be careful. Okay, dropping off the first pair. In 3, 2, 1, go. Problem now is that I'm actually fairly sure that we are not gonna be able to hit the height that we want to. And I also just realized that we don't have any way of getting battery back into this thing. Second stage is off. At least we're gonna get up a bit into space. I don't know, Jeb, have you ever been to space before? Well, I know you have. But have you ever been this far out in space? I know you have that too. We're not too far off though. Got to 700 kilometers. Got a bit up. Let's see if there's anything we can get from here. Oh, well, we are in space, so we're gonna get a little bit. We can get 5. 5 science, yay. I don't think we're gonna get any from these, no. And no, where are we gonna land? We're just gonna land in the water. Holy sh... That was fast. Maybe we should try sending a probe instead. Because I'm thinking a probe is a lot lighter. So sending a probe up might be easier. It's worth trying, or at least it's worth taking a look at it. The probe that we have isn't a good one, but at least that one has an inbuilt reaction wheel. So it can be steered a little bit. We're not gonna get the EVA report or crew report, but that's... I mean, we're gonna get those sooner or later anyways. And those don't give that amazingly... like a huge amount of science. They're not that amazing. Not compared to like the Science Junior. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. And have a good one. Bye-bye.